Are you tired of struggling to learn Spanish? Frustrated with traditional language learning methods that just don't work? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those struggles and hello to a fun and effective way of learning Spanish. Introducing Learn Spanish with Audios, the ultimate language learning program designed to immerse you in the beauty and richness of the Spanish language. With our groundbreaking audio-based approach, you'll quickly build your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and gain the confidence you need to speak Spanish fluently.
Student 1. Before I found Learn Spanish with Audios, I felt overwhelmed and stuck in my language learning journey. But the moment I started using this program, everything changed.
Student 2. The audios are amazing. They are like having a personal Spanish tutor right in my ear, guiding me every step of the way. It's so much more engaging than traditional textbooks or boring online lessons.
Our program combines expertly crafted audio lessons with real-life conversations, interactive exercises, and cultural insights, making it the most comprehensive and enjoyable Spanish learning experience available. You'll start with the basics, greetings, introductions, and essential vocabulary. Then, you'll progress to more advanced topics, such as conversational skills, grammar, and idiomatic expressions. Our step-by-step approach ensures that you build a solid foundation while constantly expanding your knowledge. And the best part? You can learn Spanish anytime, anywhere, at your own pace. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or simply relaxing at home, all you need is your smartphone or tablet to dive into the world of Learn Spanish with Audios. By joining Learn Spanish with Audios, you'll unlock a world of opportunities. Imagine traveling to Spanish-speaking countries and effortlessly conversing with locals, opening doors to new friendships and unforgettable experiences. Enhance your career prospects by adding Spanish to your skill set, making yourself an invaluable asset in today's global job market.
Student 3, thanks to Learn Spanish with Audios, I landed my dream job as a bilingual customer service representative. My colleagues were amazed by my fluency, and it all started with this program.
Student 4, learning Spanish has enriched my life in so many ways. I can now connect with my Spanish-speaking relatives on a deeper level, and I feel more confident exploring new cultures. This program truly changed my life.
Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to learn Spanish effortlessly and transform your life. Join Learn Spanish with Audios today and unlock the world of possibilities that fluency in Spanish brings. Click the link below to visit our website and start your Spanish learning journey with Learn Spanish with Audios. Sign up now and gain instant access to our powerful audio lessons, interactive exercises, and supportive community. Act now and you'll also receive an exclusive bonus pack to supercharge your learning experience. Take the first step towards fluency in Spanish and make your language learning dreams come true. Visit our website and join Learn Spanish with Audios today.